Hello guys, I'm Chetan Biraj and this is my second capstone project that's on data visualization and exploration on the data set of Phonepe transactions all over India. And we can see that this is the home page of the project, and you can say and there's the domain of financial tech, and the technologies that are used are GitHub cloning in order to extract the data from the GitHub of Phonepe Pulse Master. And we have used the language of programming language of Python and pandas and database as an Postgres. And in order to build the front end page, we have utilized Streamline, and we have the menu bar towards our left side, and it contains the home page, top charts, and the explore data. And this is the home page. You have already seen that. And when it comes to top charts, in this top charts, we can get to know the which are the top 10 districts, top 10 states, and the top 10 pin code of the regions based on the total number of transactions and the amount that have people also spent on the phone pay. And here we have this in the top chart section, we have the year and the quarter section, which is in a sidebar. And we have also can choose the transactions as type of transactions as transactions or based on the users. Based on the transaction, we have can get the top charts and using this sidebar. And when we enter this select this sidebar for 2019 and the quarter of second, we can see that the data is changed of from this we can get to know that the Karnataka region is the top among the top one. And when it comes to pin code, the Bangalore urban is in the top position. And when it comes to the transaction of the same thing, it's around 50k. When it comes to next is the exploration data, and this exploration data we can get to see the overall Indian transaction in the whole Indian map using that. And in the right section of left section of the map, you can see the overall transaction amounts. And we have for the transaction type sources, the total transaction, we have plotted the bar graph. And you can see that the x-axis consists of transaction type and the y-axis consists of total transactions. And it's divided into 5 parts. That's financial services, merchant payments, others, peer-to-peer trans payments, and also the recharge and payments. And in this drop down menu, you can select any state in order to explore the more data based on your queries. So if we choose Karnataka in this section, we can see that the all the separate districts and individual districts with their separate total amount of transactions. And we can see that the Bangalore urban district has the highest number of transactions, over 80 million, more than 80 million. And for individual transaction, we can use the bar graph. We can see that the total amount transaction is 113389910485. And we can also use the sidebar in our left section in order to explore the data. We can choose the 2020 and quarter of 1 or quarter of 3, and we can see that notice that there is a change in the transactions. And we can also use the transaction type to user, and we can get the overall total users and total number of users in the particular district. So these projects mainly give us the data, complete visualization of the data that's of the PhonePe transaction and number of PhonePe users in the complete Indian level. Thank you.